Hey everyone, so today's video is just a little different. I'm just doing a little snippet inviting you into my world. I am a licensed esthetician and a certified lash tech, and I'm just showing you guys what I do. So these are called classic eyelash extensions, and this is for anyone who's ever been interested in eyelash extensions. I hope you find this video informative, and I'm going to be sure to post more and more videos of my work. But with classic eyelash extensions, it's just one individual lash or extension placed on one natural lash. And I typically have my clients come in every 2 to 3 weeks. It really just depends on how well they take care of their lashes and how their natural lash cycle is. With eyelash extensions, when they're done correctly, you should still see growth in your natural lashes. You're still gonna have your regular lash cycles and shedding, so that's normal. So as you can see, people love to get eyelash extensions because it just makes mornings easier. Like, you just get up in the morning, cleanse your face, cleanse your lashes, and you're out the door. My clients love it because they don't have to wear makeup if they don't want to, and they still feel put together, so to speak. So as you can see, my client here has amazing volume, length, darkness, and overall it just looks really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little snippet into my lash world, and I can't wait to bring you more videos, longer videos, in-depth videos about eyelash extensions.